Hey guys, are you tired of accidentally slicing the POL while cutting curved screens? It hurt to replace the whole assembly, right? Look, this machine has the highest yield rate on the market right now. Let's talk. Let me show you the full process. Let's go. First, make sure to wet the blade. This step is vital to prevent the screen from overheating and turning yellow. This right here is our newly developed cutting machine, specifically designed for curved screens. Next, we can just dive right in and start the cutting process. You don't need to worry about keeping the line perfectly straight, just focus on making the initial cut. Once it is in, the blade naturally locks into the track and moves along on its own. For the first pass, don't cut too deep, just curves a shallow groove on the surface. Once the blade locks into that groove, simply slide it back and forth. It might look risky, but actually it is foolproof. As long as the blade depth is set correctly, it remains completely safe until the glass is fully penetrated. After cutting, verify with a probe. If you can feel it's still hard glass underneath, you can lower the blade by another 0.1 mm. Just set it to 0.6 and cut again. Remember, keep the machine frame perfectly parallel to the screen. Look here, once the groove is cut, the blade will stay inside it and glide along the track automatically. It still feels solid there, so let's add a bit more depth. Let's take it up to 0.7 mm. Okay, right here, now I can feel OCA glue. It has that distinct soft sponge texture. The best part, with this method, you don't even need to know the exact thickness of the cover glass. No, let's just finish cutting the remaining glass section. You might be wondering, why does it matter if the cut looks messy or clean? Let me explain the structure here. The outer screen is actually made of two parts, the cover glass and the OCA glue. Here is the secret. When you cut through the glass, the blade eventually hits that OCA laser. This glue isn't just sticky, it acts as a safety buffer. It has a thickness of several microns. Because of this buffer, you completely don't need to worry about the blade touching the delicate inner screen. So here's a rule of thumb. As long as you are just feeling that sticky residue from the glue and not cutting into anything else, you can be 100% sure that you will never damage the actual display. Now let's simply repeat the process and cut the other side as well. Finally, let's make a horizontal cut. This makes it easier to fit in the steel wire. Come on, take a closer look. See, the inner display is absolutely flawless. No issues at all. A lot of people struggle with fitting the wire, so let me show you the trick to insert it properly and how to pull the outer screen off. Remember to clean the blade. Don't let the dust dry and stick. Just hook the wire in right here. Simply pull it straight across. With just a gentle pull, it comes right off. Now let's do the same for the other corner. Hook it in and pull. Here is a pro tip. If the glue feels tough, add a drop of remover liquid. Next up, fitting the wire is so much easier this way. Pour it here, then switch direction. See? Zero effort. The trick is to pull at the diagonal angle. Just keep it diagonal. No, let's fast forward. Stick to this method and I guarantee it's foolproof. Once the wire clears the gap, you're set. Now, for the middle section, switch to a thicker wire. Keep it moving in one direction. Since the glass area is huge there, a thin wire mat slab. The middle part is basically just a flat screen, nothing special. It's super simple, anyone can do it. Say, the OCA glue laser acts as a shield, so we only need to cut the glass. Once you hit the glue, stop. Now, check out the glue removal tool. Unlike the standard sticks that roll up the glue, this tool sweeps it away, just like a broom. Using a winding stick on curved edge is risky. It can pull the screen and cause damaged lines. Now let's use some liquid remover to clean up the fine residue. Warning: do not scrap the camera area with a nano sponge. It will scratch the lens and make it blurry. Look at that! The screen is perfect. See? Our machine is 100% safe. As long as the OC laser is there, the inner display is untouchable. All clean? Great. Now let's move it to the lamination. As you can see, the inner display is still in perfect condition. We'll set the separator machine temperature to 80 degrees Celsius. Next, let's disconnect the flexible cables and apply some protective film over the camera area to avoid damaging the screen. Slightly blend this steel sheet to give it a curve. It makes the removal easier. You can see the gap is wider in the middle, so we'll insert it right here. Once it is in, apply a little adhesive remover and just push it forward. See, it's just as easy as washing a car. No. You can just keep push it straight forward. Yeah. Now, for the area above the camera, straighten the steel sheet and slide it straight in. This separator is trim to use. You can even adjust the angle. Okay, just keep pushing while applying the adhesive remover as you go. And there we go, the inner screen comes right off in no time. Let's compare these modes to see which one fits best. This one is perfect. See, the edge curvature is an exact match. We've developed a full set of specialized modes for element, but this one is clearly too large. Alright. Okay, let's start the lamination. Peel off the protective film. Elk it carefully. Don't press it down fully yet, or it will be hard to adjust the OC position. You can hold up the middle part like this. There we go. Make sure to leave this specific area clear. Now we'll use the lamination machine. Place it onto the mold. Okay, leave it out and make sure it's perfectly aligned. Misalignment will cause uneven pressure, leading to more bubbles on one side. Now let's begin the lamination process. The vacuum must be perfect. The quality of the lamination depends entirely on the vacuum level. The higher the vacuum, the fewer bubbles you get after pressing. For large curved screens, wait for the top plate to reach the right temperature before pressing. This gives better result, usually a perfect finish in one go. And we're done. It only takes about 30 seconds. Let's check out the result. The lamination is perfect. Now let's reassemble. First, clean off the original adhesive residue. Clean the camera lens and then we'll apply some adhesion promoter. Here is how to use it. Apply a thin layer around the edges. This ensures a super strong bond and we seal it back up. All done, the fit and finish are absolutely flawless. Perfect. And importantly, there's no hollow feeling when you press the spring. Before closing the back cover, apply another round of adhesion promoter. Apply it to the middle frame to better restore that factory level thickness. You see, we managed to keep the original back cover adhesive intact. After a quick wipe, the thickness is back to factory standards. So, it's as simple as that. Guys, if you need curved screen cutters, laminators, or separators, just contact me for details. Our quality are perfect, and we can give you the fair price. Welcome!